In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer in this phone. So at first, let's open the camera app, make sure that you're in video mode, and here you've got the timer icon. So you can pick 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay, and if you'll grab a picture with 2 seconds delay, or 5, it's working the same way, the picture will be grabbed after the countdown, the particular one. So if it's about 10 seconds, you will see 10 counting down from 10, and then 5 obviously it will be from 5, and 2 as you noticed previously. And then if you'd like to turn it off, just click off and the picture will be grabbed right after you click. So this is it, that will be all. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.